Hey there, this is Sonny, the solar guy, and I thought I would go over another very common concern for homeowners considering solar. And their question or objection or what they're thinking about is, what do I do if technology changes? Or shouldn't I wait until technology improves? And the thing is that you're always going to be in that position, because if you don't buy today thinking that technology will be better 5 years from now, well, you're going to be right. And 5 years from then, the technology will be better 5 years from then. But the best time to go solar is now, especially when right now I'm filming this video on Sunday, June 9th, 2019, and there is a federal tax credit involved of 30%. It decreases to 26% on January 1st, 2020. On January 1st, 2022, it decreases, or I'm sorry, 2021, it decreases to 22%. And on January 1st, 2022, it decreases to 0. So when you go solar and you buy a solar system, if it's designed properly, you're really buying electricity. Yes, the equipment that matters, but all we offer is equipment that's warranted and has production targets, insured, taken care of for 25 years. So if you're working with anybody else, I don't know what they're selling, I don't know what they're offering, but it might be different. But all we do is 25 years. So if you buy something today and it has a production target of 1,000 kilowatt hours a month, just for argument's sake, and you get a 30% federal tax credit coming back to you for that, and 10 years from now, 15 years from now, that equipment that you bought today in June of 2019 is still producing in that ballpark. It'll degrade a little bit over time, not a lot, but a little bit. You're making money. I mean, because you're saving now, you're getting the tax credit, and you're paying less year after year after year, and that savings adds up. So yeah, I mean, you could wait, keep waiting. It'll always be better someday. I mean, 20 years from now, maybe, Elon Musk might come up with a panel that's the size of a notebook, that produces, 30,000 kilowatt hours a year, but it might cost $50,000. Who knows? I mean, I priced my own roof on Tesla's website for a solar roof tile, which they still have only installed 6 to date, when he had that big news conference 3 years ago, and it was $90,000. So I'm not going to win anything by waiting. So give me a call, 480-200-4486. Thank you.